Check out these instructions that come with the Tomei, dog. This is fire. That's so sick. This is crazy. Quiet mode's in English. The exhaust is fire, you guys. The attention to detail, all the little bands and springs, everything. They gave us all this stuff. Gave us some helpful instructions. It's pretty fire. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing going and hopefully have it on tonight. It's getting late. We're procrastinating with my boy. But yeah, we'll get going on this and I'll show you guys as we go along. I'm all out of breath. Cold start because I was trying to pull out quietly because family was still sleeping, but this thing sounds crazy. It's like the first day drive. This Tomei is insane. It looks great in the daylight. I'm gonna go rinse off the car. I'm meeting up with some buddies, so I'm gonna rinse off the car and then I'll give you guys a little bit more of side view and what it looks like from the back and just all of that. So just listen. Sounds so good. This thing's perfect. The fitment could be a little bit better, which I'll show you guys, but as things get hot, things will go and do certain things, I hope. So I've just been tugging on it a little bit, slowly but surely. It's getting better. Sounds so good. Alright, y'all, so we're cruising on the highway right now. There's no drone. No drone. A little bit of turbo noise you can hear from the in-cab. This is way less drone than the MagnaFlow. This is tight. These little mufflers did their job. Yeah, overall, you guys, so far, super stoked I got my hands on one of these Tomeis. But so I just wanted to stop, give you guys a little bit of in cap. Just washed the car up. It rained, so just rinsed it off real quick, little quick clean. Here's a warm start, so I might do the little pop like last video. Damn. Looks pretty good from the side, you guys. It's like loud, it's so loud. Sounds good. Just cleaned up the car a little bit. Sunday fun day. Cleaned up the wheels a little bit. Valging. Now we're gonna head out to Slush. Hopefully we see some of you guys there. I'll get back with y'all when we get there. Peace out. Guys, so I didn't really touch base on this, but I did mention there was fitment issues. As you can see, the exhaust is pretty close. I adjusted it as much as I could. It just bounces back and rattles back. This side is a little better, but it is known that these Tomeis have issues. The Dual have fitment issues, especially. So our plan is we're gonna weld that bracket right there, our stabilizing bracket, whatever you want to call it, a little wider. So we're gonna have a wider one on there, and it should push the exhaust out just a little bit. But I wanted to touch on that just to clarify on the fitment issues the Tomei does have. Look, park behind it. This thing's hard. This thing's sick.
I've got like a local that all want it. I'm local. Yeah, I know. We can talk, guys. So. Oh, okay.
That shit's hard, you guys. Damn. That thing's fire. Little riveted kit on. Shit, dude. Went the whole 9. That's sick. Get you guys some cinematics real quick.